All right, the easiest way to download Wistia videos is to get this app that allows you to do it in one click. So first you're going to go to github.com/SERP apps, or just click the link in the video description. You want to scroll down here and search for the Wistia one, right? So I type this in and then I'll click the Wistia video downloader. This will take you to the page. Don't worry about any of this confusing stuff. Just scroll down here to the releases. Click on this. And right here, you'll see the latest release. If you scroll down a little bit, you can choose the browser that you use. So I'm using Chrome. So I'll click here on the Chrome one. That will download a zip file to my computer. For me, it goes to the desktop. For you, it might go to a downloads folder or something like that. Just go to wherever it is and double click the zip folder so that it opens up and you should see some kind of folder like this. Now I recommend putting this on your computer in a place where it's not going to get deleted. And then the next thing you want to do is open up a new tab and type in Chrome://extensions. And what you'll see here is yours probably looks something like this, where up here in the right hand corner it says developer mode and it's off. Just toggle that to on. Then what we're going to do is we're going to load this extension that we just downloaded. So you can do that over here on the left side. It says load unpacked. Just click that. Choose the folder, not the zip file, but the folder that you just downloaded, and open it up. That will put the downloader right here. Now, if you look at the top bar here, there's this little puzzle piece that says extensions. Just for convenience, I would click on it, find the downloader, and click this pin. That will put the downloader right here like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this, and you're just going to register an email so that way you can use it for free. So I'll blur this part out, but basically you put in your email address, and you click send verification code. So once I paste the verification code in here and I click verify and continue, you'll see that it was successfully verified, and now it says go to a page with the Wistia video on it. And you might have to play the video. And you'll see when I play the video, it actually put that video information, that data into your browser, and now our extension can detect it and download it. So all you have to do is click download video, and you'll see here that you get a progress bar. With the video progress, you can go to another page if you want. You can download another Wistia video at the same time, and all the progress will show here. And when you're done, it's going to download to the same place that you downloaded this to, right? Wherever your settings have your browser downloading to. So maybe it's a downloads folder, maybe it's your desktop, or whatever. And that's it. That's all you got to do. And when you're done, you'll see that it downloaded the video. And you can play it.
How do I even know these guys are legit?
With sound, and everything is good to go. So that's how you download Wistia videos.